Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can set up proxy in GoLogin anti-detect browser. So proxies help you manage multiple accounts safely and prevent tracking. Make sure that you have your proxy credentials ready. So anyway, once you are on your GoLogin, you will just have to launch it and of course log in with your account and navigate to the profile section. So it should be somewhere right here. But anyway, it really depends on the layout of your screen. So you do have to make sure to actually explore your website so that you will be able to see the profile section. So anyways, once you see that, you will just have to click that and then you will edit your profile and select a profile of course and click edit and then look for network settings, and then what you will have to do is add proxy details. So you will enter your proxy type, which is either HTTP or SAC S5, and then go to IP port and then username password, and then after all that you will just have to apply and save by clicking save and then apply to the profile. And then of course you will have to test the connection as well by opening your profile and verifying your IP and ensuring that the proxy is working properly. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.